Now, what's got everyone outraging is the fuel price hike announced by the Siddaramaiah Sarkar. And there's been a massive protest again over this, with the BJP staging a demonstration against the increase in prices of petrol and diesel. BJP leaders were seen on a bullock cart in order to show their resentment over the government's move of increasing the sales tax on fuel. The BJP has highlighted how this is now going to be a burden for every resident of Karnataka and has therefore demanded a rollback of the decision. The Congress, meanwhile, has defended it. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has said that despite these taxes, the cost of diesel and petrol in Karnataka was lesser than other South Indian states and lesser than what citizens were paying in a state like Maharashtra. And he's also highlighted that when BJP was in power in Karnataka, VAT was reduced, but the centre increased other taxes, thereby cheating Kannadigas.
Well, the BJP leaders have taken to a creative way of protesting on the streets of Bengaluru. That's the BJP's leader of opposition, R. Ashok, and the entire crew of Bengaluru MLAs from the BJP who have gathered here, coming on a bullock cart. And the main reason for the protest is being reported that against the hike in fuel prices that was put forth by the Karnataka Congress government, they are demanding and remaining steadfast in their protest that they will not budge down unless and until the fuel hike price is revoked. They are stating that the government has deliberately increased the prices of fuel only to fill its empty coffers that was extinguished because of the 5 guarantees that the Congress government has promised, and they've now taken to the streets, taking it in a creative way by actually coming to the protest site in Bengaluru on a bullock cart, symbolically stating that they stand with the farmers, they're against the hike in fuel prices, and they are going to protest unless and until the fuel hike crisis is revoked. Camera person Shivu, Anaga Keshav reporting for India Today from Bangalore.
You have raised on petrol sale tax 3 rupees on petrol and 3 rupees on diesel. Still, you are less than the neighboring states' rates. See, the BJP people, for political reasons, they are making this as an issue. They are making this as an issue. When Narendra Modi ji raised additional excise duty on petrol and diesel, they are keeping quiet.
ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ದರವನ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಏರಿಸಿದ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಾರಿಗೆಯವರು ಸಹ ನಾವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬರುವಂಥ ದಿವಸಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರು ಬದುಕೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ವಿಷಯ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಅಕ್ಷಮ್ಯ ಅಪರಾಧ. ನಾನು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಒತ್ತಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಜನರ ಸಂಕಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈಗಲಾದರೂ ನೀವು ಏರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ದರವನ್ನು ವಾಪಸ್ ಪಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಒತ್ತಾಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
Next also we will all over Karnataka we will Rasta Roko, we will do Rasta Roko. In Vidhan Sabha cycle rally we will do. In assembly also we will fight.
Why sir? Why?
It is the petrol hike. Siddaramaiah told we will not raise any petrol, diesel. Before the power, after the election of parliament, they illegally raise the petrol and diesel. This is a non-democratic government.
Is it not a highest price, sir? Which is in
entire in Delhi low price, Meghalaya low, Uttar Pradesh low. In Karnataka only worst government. This is only for the ATM for Congress party.
The Congress came to the power in the state of Karnataka by quoting, by referring and addressing the issue of price rise and price rise and inflation. But from the time they have come to the power, the only thing they have been doing is price rise.